Well, howdy there, folks. Today, in this video, I'm going to show y'all how to plant a pumpkin. Actually, plant a couple hundred pumpkins as fast as you can. Here we go. First thing you need, pumpkin. It's about a 30-pound pumpkin. It's going to have about 1 million seeds inside of it. If you ever cut a pumpkin up, you know that's how it works. So you're going to take your pumpkin, you're going to center it where you're going to plant it. Right here, I got this bed all prepared for the seeds to be accepted. So we're going to put the pumpkin right here in the middle. Right about there. You got to slap it. Lets it know something's coming. Then you got to get your fertilizer. Alright, now second thing you need is some fertilizer. This here is about a ½ pound fertilizer. You just got to take your lid off. There's going to be a little packet of special powder inside there. Might spill a little bit, that's alright. You're going to open up your powder here. You're going to dump it in, shake it up. Now that's important. You're going to shake it, shake it, shake it real well. A little ASMR in here. Just gonna shake it. Just shake it up. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Oh, it ain't quite mixed up. We're gonna shake it some more. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Alright, I think we got it shook up. Alright, if you hadn't hit that subscribe button yet, now's the time. Shake it over to the subscribe button. Hit that like button. Hit that dinger bell. Let's get going. Alright, can you see me? I can't see you, but I can see. Yeah, it's pretty good. What you're going to do is put your fertilizer right here in front of the pumpkin. Just about like that. And then you're going to need your powder actuated tool, which YouTube won't let me show you, but you're going to know when it goes. Alright, now this fertilizer here is going to spread these pumpkin seeds all over our pumpkin bed. That's where the seeds like to sleep, in the pumpkin bed. Here we go now. Alright, after reviewing the footage, I can see our pumpkin's not quite centered, so let's go center it up. Alright, we're going to put our earplugs in because this next tool is a little bit loud. Got to protect your hearing. Just going to give you all a little preview what this powder actuated tool looks like. See here? See here? See here? We're just going to take this tool right here. We're just going to poke, poke, poke that fertilizer right into that pumpkin. See the tool? We're poking it, poking it. Poking it. Poke it, poke, poke. Oh, y'all ready? Got your earplugs in? Hit that subscribe button yet? Here we go. Poke it, poke it, poke! Alright, let's watch them seeds get planted in slow motion now. Whew! Alright. As you can see, right there, all them seeds is just spread out evenly across the dirt. Them seeds is everywhere in there. There's a seed. There's a seed. There's some seeds. See, we got seeds everywhere. Look at here. Look at here. Look at there. Oh yeah, look at right there. Y'all hit that like button yet? Look at there. Look at them seeds right there. Woo, them seeds everywhere. Alright, folks. If y'all enjoyed this here video, and you like pumpkins, and you know how to grow them now, you know how to plant them anyways. Alright. We'll see y'all on the next one. Them birds whistling in my pocket. Alright. Bye-bye now.